Hello everyone, 皆さんこんにちは. My name is Andy and welcome to my Hiragana Basics online course. In this course, you'll learn how to read Japanese using the Hiragana alphabet. If you're just starting to learn Japanese, then this course is the perfect place to start. Not only will we go over how to pronounce each Hiragana character, but we'll also practice reading the characters with over 150 practice words. By the end of this course, you'll be able to read several basic Japanese words written in Hiragana. The Japanese writing system involves mixing and matching three different types of alphabets: Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. Most Japanese learners start by learning Hiragana, then Katakana, then Kanji. Hiragana is a phonetic alphabet consisting of 46 characters, where each character represents one sound. You can think of Hiragana as like the ABCs of the Japanese language. Katakana follows the same pronunciation pattern as Hiragana, but it's mostly used for words that originated from other languages. For example, orange juice. Kanji is the most difficult and complicated of the three alphabets. Kanji is a series of over 2,000 Chinese characters where each character represents an object or idea rather than a sound. One thing that makes kanji especially difficult is that most of these characters have multiple readings depending on the word. For example, this character, which means water, is read mizu in this sentence, but it's read sui in words like suiye or suichu. You'll often see hiragana characters written either above or to the side of kanji to tell you how it's read. This is referred to as furigana. As you start learning Japanese, you'll come across a fourth writing system called romaji. Romaji is a representation of Japanese using the Roman alphabet. Romaji is mostly used by those learning Japanese as a foreign language and when typing Japanese on a keyboard. You can rely on romaji to read Japanese until you've mastered hiragana and katakana. This is a hiragana chart that displays all 46 characters in the hiragana alphabet. When you read this chart, you would read the characters from top to bottom and right to left. The characters in the first column represent the 5 basic vowel sounds: a, I, u, e, o. The next columns follow the same vowel pattern, but they add a consonant sound in front. For example, the second column is read ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Here's a read-through of each hiragana character. A, I, u, e, o. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, yu, yo. Da, ri, ru, re, ro. Wa, o, n. Throughout the next several lessons, we'll learn how to pronounce each of these 46 characters and their variations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.